Hello everyone. Students, we were solving the problems from the chapter Time and Distance. I have already made 2 videos from this chapter, and this is my third video in which I will discuss a few problems. So see question number 5. See, this is question number 5. X kilometers are covered y hours. If x by 2 kilometers is covered in 4y hours, find ratio of old to new speed. Means it is said that x kilometer is covered in y hours. That means you can say that in the first case, see I have solved, distance is equals to x kilometer and time is the y hours, because in y hours it has completed x kilometer. And in the second case, what is distance is x by 2, because it is said that x by 2 kilometer is covered in 4 hours. So y time is 4 hours. Okay, now find the ratios of the two speeds. Very easy. You just first find the s1, that is the speed of the speed in first case, that will be x by y, and speed in the second case, that is x by 5, x by it is 8y. Now you just find the ratio, it will come 8:1. Okay, so answer is 8:1, this one. Now the question number 6. A man covers first half of a distance at a speed of 3 km per hour and rest at 6 km per hour. Find his average speed. Means you can see that man covers first half of the distance. Means suppose if the distance is, total distance is x, then x by 2 distance he covered at which speed, that is 3 km per hour, and next x by 2 distance he covered at a speed of 6 km per hour. Then find his average speed. So you know the formula of average speed is what? That is the total distance divided by total time. So total distance you have already assumed that it is x, but total time that you don't know. So you can find out time. So now your target is to find the T1 and T2, means in the first case and the second case. So for the T1, that will be d by speed. To in the first case distance is what? That is x by 2 and speed is 3. And second case T2 is equals to this. So x by 6 means x by 2 into 6. Speed is 6 km per hour. Understood? Now, so the average speed will be what? That is total distance divided by total time. So total distance is x plus x, that is x. And total time is equals to this one, that is you have whatever you have got, that is x by 2 by 3 and x by 6 into 2. This one I have not calculated because at the final I will calculate. That's why initially I have not calculated. Okay, now x by, what will happen? It will be 6 and it will be 12. Understood? So its LCM will be 12, and now this one I have got this one by the calculation by calculating. Now this one you will get in this way, so it will become 4 km per hour. Since it is average speed, so its unit will be kilometer per hour. By mistake the PDF I have sent you, in that I have written only hours, so it will be kilometer per hour, because you can see that it is average speed, so speed must be in kilometer per hour. Understood? Okay, so this is the question number 6. Now let me come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is what? Two athletes starts from the opposite ends. After crossing each other, they take 16 seconds and 25 seconds to complete the race, to find the ratio of their speeds. So see students, this question is a little bit hard and it is having one formula, because if you solve in general way, then you have to use the more than 2 equations. So you don't know how to solve the equations. That's why I have taken simply the formula. The formula is what? That is the ratio of the speeds is equals to T1 by T2. Understood? So in first case the time was 16 and after second case it was 25. So the ratio of root over 16 divided by 25, and its value will be 4 by 5. You know that root over 16 means 4 into 4, so its value will become 4, and root over 25 means 5 into 5, so its value will come 5. So S1 is to S2 is equals to 4 is to 5. Understood? So ratio of their speeds will be 4 is to 5. Okay.